In this video we can talk about top 5 recast alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternative School channel. Today, we are going to come across the popular alternatives to Recast.AI, the content transformation powerhouse that's been revolutionizing the way you repurpose and optimize the content for various platforms. Now, while Recast.AI certainly has its merits, we've delved into the depth of innovation to bring you the top 5 alternatives of Recast, which are DALL-E 2, Bing Image Creator, Jasper Art, Stable Diffusion, and Getimg.AI that will redefine the creative horizon. So, let's begin this video to learn about the special features of these alternatives. Introducing our first alternative is DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 emerges as a groundbreaking AI-powered platform designed for generating imaginative visual content. Some of its key features like photorealistic images, multiple variations, and great resolution. With its roots in the realm of art, DALL-E 2 stretches beyond traditional boundaries to forge an intersection between creativity and artificial intelligence, translating textual prompts into intricate and often surreal visual representations. The standout feature of DALL-E 2 lies in its ability to synthesize visuals from textual descriptions, enabling artists to create images that transcend the boundaries of their own imagination. Second alternative on our list is Bing Image Creator. The Bing Image Creator stands as an AI-driven utility that crafts high-quality images to augment content. It offers features like text-to-image, pre-generated image library, and image synthesis. By leveraging a vast repository of existing images, it assembles new visuals, thereby aiding content creators, marketers, and educators in enhancing their materials. The standout feature of Bing Image Creator is its knack for seamlessly blending AI-generated visuals with textual content, resulting in enriched and captivating communication materials. Next up on our list is Jasper Art. Jasper Art is an innovative platform that acts as a creative catalyst, aiding professionals in exploring new directions and expanding their artistic horizons. It offers features like unlimited image generations, text-to-image, and watermark-free images. Jasper Art generates thought-provoking ideas and concepts that serve as springboards for artistic endeavors. One of the standout features of Jasper Art is its capacity to catalyze artistic exploration by suggesting novel concepts and ideas. Moving on to the fourth one, we have Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion emerges as a nuanced tool within the creative landscape, focusing on the fusion of AI and traditional artistic methods. It offers features like GPU-enabled, high-quality images, and customizable prompts. This platform harmonizes the authenticity of hand-drawn elements with AI's computational prowess, facilitating a fluid exchange between human creativity and algorithmic assistance. The standout feature of Stable Diffusion lies in its ability to seamlessly merge traditional artistic methods with AI augmentation that empowers artists to navigate the intricate interplay between imagination and computation. Last but not the least, we have Getimg.AI. Getimg.AI emerges as a precision-driven image generation tool that leverages AI to create images with specific attributes and features. Some of its key features like AI editor, text-to-image, and dream booth. The tool excels in creating intricate and detailed images, making it suitable for industries like fashion, product design, and architecture. The standout feature of Getimg.AI is its laser-focused approach to attribute-driven image generation, making it an indispensable tool for professionals who demand meticulous control over image features and quality. Compared to Recast, DALL-E 2 particularly shines in its ability to create diverse visuals from text, extending its value across creative sectors. Bing Image Creator's unique strength lies in its capacity to synthesize new images by combining existing ones, which enhances content presentations. Jasper Art offers distinct contributions to the creative landscape and fosters artistic exploration through AI-generated prompts. Stable Diffusion's focus on generating dynamic image sequences lends itself well to animation and storytelling. And Getimg.AI's precision-driven attribute-based image generation caters to specific visual requirements. After thorough research multiple AI tools, we would recommend Jasper Art as the best alternative to Recast AI. Its AI-generated prompts not only inspire artists but also encourage novel collaborations between human creativity and AI-generated concepts. This unique synergy results in uncharted artistic horizons and fresh aesthetics, appealing to professionals seeking innovative pathways for self-expression. Jasper Art's ability to spark creativity by seamlessly blending human imagination with AI-generated inspiration makes it an invaluable tool for those looking to break creative barriers and redefine artistic possibilities. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.